Hello everybody, in this video I'll be telling you what you should do right after you install Ubuntu. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you have hopefully you're watching this before you've actually installed your new operating system, or you are watching it on a separate computer after this is installed. I say this because you should not be able to watch this video right after you install Ubuntu, and now I'm going to show you how to fix that. First thing though is I want to cover right when you boot in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the GNOME desktop. If you aren't familiar what this is, I made a video about it previously. There's two looks and feels to Ubuntu, and once again they're in the video previously. If you want to get into Unity, which is the second one, you need to hit System, Administration, Additional Drivers. And then this is going to show up. And you need to download a driver for your graphics card or your video card. And what you'll see down here is you need to install this driver if you wish to use the Unity desktop. Because it looks nicer and it's newer, it requires just a little bit more, and all you need to do is download this. I'll have to make a different video showing you how to switch in between them, as that's kind of you have to log out, and my screen capture program won't work if I'm logged out. Okay, so back to what we need to download first. The first thing we want to do is go to Applications and Ubuntu Software Center down here. Once this opens up, you want to type in Ubuntu. And you're going to want to go to this first one, this Ubuntu Restricted Extras. What this is it's a package that allows you to play MP3 files, as well as like Flash and other files. This is basically going to install something for Flash, and something basically for a lot of other stuff, such as AVI files and everything else like that. So, in order to download this, all you need to do is right here, there'll be a button that says Install. You're just going to have to enter your password, hit enter, and that's all you need to do. It's going to download and install all by itself. So the first thing you want to get is this. Next, let's say you tried to install to watch a DVD. This also requires another little step to watch many commercial DVDs. So let's say I put in a DVD and I tried to watch it, but it wouldn't work. It wouldn't let me play it. I'm going to tell you what to do next, and this will help you with lots of other problems. The first thing you're going to want to do if you hit a problem with Ubuntu is go to Google and type in a solution question for your answer. So we'll go ahead and say once again my DVDs wouldn't play, so I'm just going to type in playing in Ubuntu, playing DVDs in Ubuntu. And we'll see right here, we see restricted formats. And I think, okay, well this was called restricted extras, so that sounds like a good match. As we hit this first one, you'll see this Ubuntu tutorial, and what it says is that commercial DVDs are encrypted, and you need this libdvd CSS2 package to play them. So you have two options here. The first option is you can open up Ubuntu Software Center, and you can type in libdvd CSS2. And this is going to show up right here, but you need to be careful with this because if you don't type it in exactly as it is, it's not going to show up. So even if we just get rid of the 2, it's not going to be there. So we have to enter the 2. With most things like this type of file package, you have to be very exact. And you just would click on it, hit install, and it should work. If you don't want to do this or want to do something else, you should open up your terminal, which is right here. And this is like your command prompt in Windows. And you'll see right here that they give codes. Codes are always in these type of boxes, these gray ones. And all you need to do is copy and paste. You can select that and Control C, go into your terminal and right click and hit paste. And what this code does, part by part, is this sudo gives permission to the computer to install this. This apt-get is like the phone book for all the software. It kind of keeps track of where everything's located. Install tells your computer to install it, and this is the name of the package you are installing. So once you hit enter, it's going to ask you for your password because you typed in sudo. So just enter your password, hit enter, and it should install for you fine. I understand that the code can be a little bit more intimidating to people, because it was to me at first too, but if you ever mess around with this and try to get yourself to do this, I think that's going to make some other things a lot easier for you. The third thing that you're going to want to maybe do is say you want to install something like Google Chrome, which doesn't come with right away. Ubuntu comes with Firefox. So let's say we want to get Google Chrome. You can come here and type in Google Chrome, and we can hit the link and follow it here. And what we know for sure is with Linux there's a couple different options, but we know we're in Ubuntu, so these two don't apply. Next, we're going to want to look at 32-bit versus 64-bit. You have to have some knowledge on your computer as to which one is which. If your computer has more than 6 gigabytes of RAM, it's going to be 64-bit. If you absolutely have no idea, just hit 32-bit. It should work fine in 64-bit. So just accept and install, and that's going to download a .deb file. And once you hit that, it's just going to open up a special page in here, which you can install it on then. So that's pretty painless. Those are the three main ways that you can install things in Ubuntu, and what you're mostly going to have to do. So with that, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Also, you can Google them. Google is going to be your best friend, as Ubuntu is very, there's a lot of people with much more knowledge than I have that help people with Ubuntu. So if you have any questions, try Google. You can leave them in the comments, and I'll either reply with a text message or with another comment, or I'm going to try to do some video responses on occasion, because filming something like this is not particularly hard for me to do, and I can do that very quickly and upload a question and upload an answer to your question. So thank you very much, and have a great day.